So many people have asked, when is Royal Caribbean going to change its health and safety protocols to align with the other cruise lines? Well, today we finally have that answer. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, Royal Caribbean, they have officially changed their health and safety protocols to align with the other cruise lines, and what that essentially means is the unvaccinated can once again sail on Royal Caribbean from all of their home ports. Remember, initially it was only going to be LA, Galveston, New Orleans, ports like that were going to allow this from Royal Caribbean. Well, they've changed all that, aligned themselves with the others, and this is going to be Royal Caribbean's new health and safety protocols. So, beginning September the 5th, Royal Caribbean will welcome both vaccinated and unvaccinated passengers back on board their ship. Now, the unvaccinated will still have to show proof of a negative COVID-19 test prior to boarding. The vaccinated will not have to show a COVID-19 test on sailings that are 9 nights or less. So, 9 nights or less, no test. Anything over 9 nights, both the vaccinated and unvaccinated will still have to take the COVID-19 test. Children that are 5 years and younger have no requirements on them whatsoever. No testing, no vaccination, no nothing on all sailings for children 5 and younger. Okay, and don't forget there are still some exceptions out there. Australia, Bermuda, Canada, and Singapore still have specific requirements in place if you are taking a cruise going to one of those locations. But remember, recently we've seen the Caymans change theirs. We've seen St. Kitts change theirs. So there are more and more cruise ports that are allowing these sailings to return, regardless of vaccination statuses, regardless of testing statuses, which is just better for cruisers, more cruising opportunities for everybody. So I just wanted to get this information out there for anybody that has an upcoming Royal Caribbean cruise booked after September the 5th, or wants to book a cruise after September the 5th and you are unvaccinated. Well, hop on Royal Caribbean's website and start booking. One of the things that I have noticed recently, though, is as these cruise lines are updating their protocols and going to an unvaccinated, vaccinated, either way can get on board the ship, bookings are filling up very quickly. A lot of people that have been waiting over 2 years to finally get back to cruising, their opportunity is here, their chance is here, and they are hopping on there and booking. So if you were thinking about booking one, definitely get on there, book now, because the one you want may fill up very quickly. Alright, I hope you guys have enjoyed this quick cruise news video. If you have, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, let you know anytime a new video comes out. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.